Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the UmamiBros.
Alright, so today we heard Popeyes is blowing up right now with the new chicken sandwich, so we're gonna try it out and we're gonna taste test it with Chick-fil-A and KFC.
And we're gonna try all this blindfolded so you guys get our unbiased review. Alright. Wait, cover your ears then, so you can't hear where it's going. Cover your ears.
It's covered.
Huh?
It's covered.
Is it?
Yeah.
If you can hear me, it's not covered.
Well, I can just hear your voice because you're mad loud. Alright guys, so we're gonna try our first sandwich.
Alright, let's see.
Damn, dude, this is my side.
Get the hell off my side.
Alright.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Alright. Kind of good.
Saucy. Not a lot of chicken.
There's a lot of chicken on my side.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Look at jet. Oh, I feel the chicken. Is that chicken? It's mad hard.
I kind of like it. This one's not bad. Kind of just like a chicken sandwich though. Because that's what it is.
It's kind of, chicken's on the dry side. Oh, really dry side. I don't know. I'll give this like a 5 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
I give this a 7 out of 10.
What do you think this is from? Do I guess?
I have no idea.
I'm going with KFC.
I don't think so. I think this is definitely Chick-fil-A. I think this is Chick-fil-A.
Simon obviously hasn't eaten enough Chick-fil-A in his life.
Yeah, I don't eat enough Chick-fil-A.
Did you finish it?
No, I'm just half.
I'm finishing it.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
Okay, but I'm not gonna finish. I'm gonna save myself for the ones to come.
Okay, next sandwich.
Next sandwich, please, cameraman, camera lady.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh, see, this one's heavy.
This one's thick.
This one's way heavier. This thick with the double C's.
This is an incredible thing.
My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't.
Alright, let's give this one a try.
What about?
Good amount of chicken in here.
Yeah. That tastes actual chicken.
The bread's not working, not cutting it for me though.
What do you mean?
It tastes a little weird. It's a little off-putting.
The bread.
The bread tastes too clunky.
Dude,
know,
the
that's
bread's
not-
soft as hell.
I don't know if it's soft.
Should I eat the chicken?
Huh? The chicken's good. I like the chicken. It's not bad.
The pickle's a little too strong.
Which one do you think it is?
I think this is a Popeyes.
Popeyes?
Yeah.
I think so too. Are you gonna eat the rest of this too?
Yeah. Didn't you say the last one was Popeyes? You said it was Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish this one real quick.
Okay, me too.
This was like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I like this one the most so far. Way better than the first one. The mayo is what gets me. It's good.
It's a little too much.
Really?
No.
I like it.
I feel it's all over my mouth, but I can't see. Do I have napkins?
Where's the plate? Go ahead.
Oh, I got a napkin. I got a napkin. Oh, I'm kind of scared, but there's a knife on top. Never mind.
Okay, never mind. Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Alright, next one. Wait, waiter, waitress. Alright.
Alright, you guys?
1 second. Yes.
Alright.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
I'm lying. This could be the KFC.
No, wait. This one's too much pickles.
Too much pickles?
Yeah, for me. It's just, my mouth just got a pickle explosion.
I lied. I don't know which chicken it's
I don't know either. It's kind of hard.
This one has like a little kick to it. I mean, all the sandwiches we got were spicy, but This is the least spicy.
It's gotta be Chick-fil-A then, right?
I mean, it has to be my Chick-fil-A because I chose KFC for the first one.
Did you? Okay. So this is my KFC, I guess.
Dude, I get no pickles in this. I don't know. I give this like a 7.
I give it like a 6.
Oh.
It just has a lot of chicken, but I don't know. Too much pickle in this one.
Alright. I'm kind of full now. I'm not gonna finish this.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop that right there.
Alright.
Alright.
Should we take our black ones off?
Wait. Just in the order that you like the most, real quick, before you see it.
2, 3, 1.
2, 3, 1. Okay, 2, 3, 1 for me too.
Alright, so
let's see it.
take off our blindfolds.
Yep.
Which one was this?
Which one was this?
This was the first one.
Okay, so KFC was number 1.
Okay. Did I say that?
No, I said that.
Oh, that was I said that. Okay. And then which one's this one?
Second.
No.
Second.
This
Oh,
was first, second, third.
Okay, so Chick-fil-A is the one we just ate last.
Chick-fil-A is the last one.
Yeah.
So Popeyes is the best one.
Yeah. Unbiased opinion because we were
Yeah.
blindfolded.
Yeah. I'm
Way
sorry.
better actually.
Oh yeah, that was a lot better. I think it was the mayonnaise that got me.
The mayonnaise got you?
Yeah.
Like
But this one was booty. Wow, KFC with the doo doo.
Yeah, I see why no one chose KFC to review. They all chose Wendy's instead. This shit sucked.
Yeah, we probably should have done one of these, but
Yeah.
maybe next time.
We
Probably
were
not-
trying to be
probably
exotic, but you know, I see why no one chose it.
Yeah, I didn't even taste. This one's a Nashville hot. Didn't even taste any Nashville in there. Did you?
No, I mean I could taste like the oils. Wow.
I feel like I didn't taste much in there.
Yeah, definitely get yourselves the Popeye sandwich, the best one.
Best one out of all 3.
Yeah,
Yeah. That is our final review.
Popeyes. over everything
Popeyes,
else.
and then Chick-fil-A, and then probably never KFC. Alright guys, we'll catch you guys next time. Make sure you drop a like,
Comment and subscribe. Peace.
Peace.